5 Best Spark Plug for Predator 212. Today we are going to show you the best spark plug for Predator 212. These spark plug would be the best for your vehicle. Number 1. Editor's Choice, NGK 7131 BPR6 ES Standard Spark Plug. Weight, 2.4 ounces. Rating 4.8 out of 5. Product information. Solid copper core for greater spark, superior heat dissipation and conductivity. Longer insulator nose prevents fouling. Corrugated ribs on insulator prevents flashover. Dual ground electrodes for more consistent spark. Fit type, vehicle specific. Number 2. Best budget, Brito Performance Spark Plug Kit for Predator 212. Weight 1.18 pounds. Rating, 4.4 out of 5. Product information. A complete set for a total upgrade. Affordable price. Large air filter. Upgrade 6.5 HP engine mini bike and go-kart. Number 3. Best Standard Spark Plug, Autolite AR3910X AR Racing Spark Plug. Weight, 1.92 ounces. Rating, 4.7 out of 5. Product information. Cut back type ground electrode. Improved ignitability. Nickel plating for better anti-corrosiveness. Non-resistive seal bonds insulator. Number 4. Best Spark Plug for Lawn Mower, HIPA Spark Plug for Predator 212, weight, 3.98 ounces. Rating, 4.6 out of 5. Product information. Compact size. Suitable for every small engine. OEM product. Compatible with Harbor Freight Predator. Number 5. Best for Racing Predator 212, E3.111 Premium Racing Spark Plug. Weight, 1.6 ounces. Rating, 4.5 out of 5. Product information. Proper electrode gapping. Excellent heat transfer. Cold heat range. Patented diamond fire ground electrode. Thanks for watching.